At JWII Industrial Instruments, we've been helping manufacturers with analytical instrumentation since 1982. Back then, our founders had one goal: to bring the best analytical technology to Australia and across the Asia-Pacific region. And here we are, over 40 years later, still doing exactly that, but better and bigger than ever. Whether it's inline systems keeping an eye on quality during production, or lab instruments delivering pinpoint accuracy, we've got you covered. Every business is different, and we get that. That's why we take the time to really understand your needs and tailor solutions that work for you. Our dedicated team at JWII really know their stuff. But more importantly, they are here to help. From choosing the right tech to solving tricky process problems, we are with you every step of the way. No pushy salespeople, just solid advice to make sure you get exactly what you need. And we don't just disappear after the sale. Our after-sales support is something we are really proud of. Whether it's system support, troubleshooting, or just answering your questions, we've got your back, and we are local, so you'll always get a quick response. So if you're looking for a partner who's all about precision, reliability, and good old-fashioned customer care, you've found us. JWII Industrial Instruments, helping you build, create, and innovate for over 40 years.